呢3至5年入邊咧，其實我哋經歷咗好多嘢啦，即係嗰個天氣咧，佢會極度嘅潮濕啦，會好大雨啦。咁好似前3年都係大雨嘅，其實係失收嘅嗰陣時。好似入到舊年嘅年尾開始咧，就開始有極端嘅熱天啦。咁熱天咧帶嚟嘅咧就係盛產啦，好似而家咁。舊年年尾盛產，而家又係盛產啦。咁價錢又回落到好緊要啦。
Not only in Malaysia, but it's a regional where actually we can see the last 2 years Thai have a severe dry spell that causing some of the tree are actually a few percent of the tree casualty in the area of Thais because of the super dry there. So we can see that not only in Malaysia the erratic weather, but actually all over the Southeast Asia region also the same.
如果气候我们看天吃饭，看天吃饭也是会影响的。可是我们可以做一些准备的工作，